Greetings students. Tier 1 Unit E Number Pattern. This is for class 6. The subject is mathematics and I am Sibasis Sandilya and I welcome you to today's class. So our topic of discussion is number patterns. The subtopics are activities on number patterns and completing the magic squares. So what is a number pattern? If the numbers are arranged in a pattern, simply that is called a number pattern. So look at the pattern given here. 1 cube is equal to 1 square. In the same way, 1 cube plus 2 cube gives us 1 plus 8, which is equal to 9, which is equal to 3 square, and 3 is equal to 1 plus 2. That means the number whose cubes we are adding, if those numbers are added together and the number that we get, square it, that will be the same. In the next one also, see, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube ultimately gives you 1 plus 2 plus 3 whole square. In the next one also, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube gives you 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 whole square. In the same way, try to find out the pattern and find out the answers to the next equations. Now I am showing you the answers. This one is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 whole square, that is 15 square. The next one will be 1 to 6, add 1 to 6 square, that is 21 square. The next one will be add 1 to 7 square, that is 28 square. And the last one is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 whole square, that is 36 square. Now look at this pattern. 1 equal to 1 equal to 1 square. 1 plus 3 equal to 4, which is 2 square. 1 plus 3 plus 5 gives you 9, which is 3 square. That means addition of odd numbers. When you add 3 odd numbers, that will result in 3 square. When you add 4 odd numbers, that is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7, the first 4 odd numbers, you will get 4 square. In the same way, what will be the last equation's answer? That is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. Think for a bit. Now I am giving you the answer. Count the odd numbers. There are 7 odd numbers, so the answer will be 7 square. Now let us discuss about palindromes. Palindrome numbers, what are those? Some numbers remains unchanged when its digits are written in the reverse order. Such numbers are called palindromes or palindrome numbers. For example, 24842. If you write it from the right hand side, that means if you reverse the digits, then also it remains unchanged. From the back side also it will be read as 24842, and from the front side also it will be read as 24842. So look at this number 1181811. Even if you reverse it, it will be the same. Now 11 is the smallest palindrome number. So 11, if you read it from front side or back side, it will always be 11, that is 11. There is no largest palindrome, as there is always a successor of any whole number. So a palindrome may be as big as this number 888, 18, 11, 811, 81, 888, or it may be bigger than this also. So here are some problems regarding multiplication of palindromes. See, 1 into 11 gives you 11. 11 into 11 gives you 1 to 1. 111 into 11 gives you 1 2 to 1. See, with 11 we are multiplying 111. That means 3 ones. So 3 minus 1, there will be 2 2's. In the next one also, 1111 multiplied by 11 gives you 1 2 2 2 1. There were 4 ones, so there will be 4 minus 1, 3 2's. In the same way, try to find out the answer to the next two questions. Now I am showing you the answers. Check if your answer was correct. You can do the actual calculation also and verify the answer, okay, if you wish. Looking at this pattern, try to fill up the gaps. Pause the video for 2 minutes and try it out. I hope you got the answers. Now I am showing you the answers. So these are basically the answers. I hope you got all the answers correct. Now here also, look at the pattern. The last one is already done for you. Find out the answer to the fourth and the fifth equation. Look at the pattern carefully. 1 into 1 equal to 1. 11 into 11 gives you 1 to 1. 111 into 111, that means 3 ones multiplied by 3 ones gives you 1 to 3 to 1. Look at the last one also. Try to understand the pattern and try it out yourself. Pause the video for 2 minutes and try it out. Now I am showing you the answers. So I hope everyone got the answers correct. If you didn't understand, please ask me, I will help you. So here, triangular numbers. Now we are going to discuss about triangular numbers. Look at the first pattern. There is only one number of row. So number of triangle is equal to 1 square, that is 1. In the second one, there are two number of rows and the number of triangles are 4. So number of row is 2, so number of triangles will be 2 square, that is 4. In the same way, in the third one, 3 rows, so number of triangles will be 3 square, that is 9. Try to understand the pattern and try to find out the answer to the fourth one. Pause the video if required. Now I am showing you the answers. Let's move on. Here are two more triangles. The number of rows in the first one is 5 and the number of rows in the second one is 6. So try to find out the missing numbers, the equations and the missing numbers yourself. Pause the video for 3 minutes and try to do it yourself. Now I am showing you the answers. So there were 5 rows, so the number of triangles will be 5 square, that is 25. Here the number of rows was 6, so total number of triangles will be 6 square, that is 36. Now here, using the graph, the pattern part, we have to find out which number can be represented as a square. So 1 can be represented as a square. 4, if you color up 4 squares, then it also will represent a square. But 6, If you color out 6 small squares, it will not be a square, it will be a rectangle. In the same way, look at the screen carefully and try to find out which are the other numbers that can be represented as a square in the pattern part. Pause the video for 1 minute because this is very easy. Now I am showing you the answers. So 9 and 16, these can be represented as squares. Now adagons. Adagon is a game in which a triangle is drawn whose vertices have a blank space and each side is marked with a number. You are to fill in the blanks such that the sum of two vertices equals to the sum of the side joining them. Pause the video, read this once again. Now let us move on. See, this is the example. What is the meaning? I am explaining you. There are 3 vertices and 3 sides. The 3 sides have 3 numbers on it. The first side has 19, the second side has 9 and the lower side has 30. And the vertices places are blank. Now you have to add numbers to the vertices in such a way that the side that touches 2 vertices, the numbers that 2 vertices holds, the addition of those will be the number in the side. For example, addition of these 2 numbers will be 19. The addition of these 2 numbers will be 9. And the addition of these 2 numbers will be 30. So, can you think of a way how we can do this? If yes, that is very good. If no, then I am showing you how you will do this type of problems. See, to complete the adagon, the steps are add the numbers given on the sides. Here, the numbers are 8 plus 6 plus 2, which will give you 16. The second step will be, we have to divide 16 by 2, which will give you 8. Now, to find the value of the vertices, subtract the number on the opposite side from it. That means A will be 8 minus 2. Why? 2 is the side opposite to A. So we will subtract 2 from 8 and we will get A equal to 6. In the same way, C will be 8 minus 8 because the opposite side has 8 on it. So 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So C will be 0. And B will be 8 minus 6. 8 is the half of the total sum and 6 is the number on the opposite side. So 8 minus 6 equal to 2. Simple, right? Pause the video, go through the steps once again, rewind the video and watch this part once again if you require. Try to understand this because now I am giving you some problems. So these are 4 problems. Look at number C, that is the one which I have used to ask you the question at the first place. So now in the same way, you have to practice these 4. This is not a homework, this is just a practice session. You can do it yourself. So now we are going to discuss magic squares. The magic squares are squares having 9 square blocks. These blocks hold a different number in such a way that the sum in any direction are same. For example, the magic square of sum 18 is given below. So a magic square has 3 rows and 3 columns. Look at the first diagram, that is the diagram to the left hand side. That is a magic square of 18. That means the sum of each row and each column will result to 18. Look at the first column, 5 plus 4 plus 9. that is 18. The second column 10 plus 6 plus 2, that is also 18. The third column 3 plus 8 plus 7 is 18. Now look at the rows also. 5 plus 10 plus 3 equal to 18, 4 plus 6 plus 8 equal to 18, and the third and the last row 9 plus 2 plus 7 is also 18. Now how do we make this? Let us learn the trick. You can also build such magic squares. First take a number divisible by 3 and greater than 15. Now divide it by 3 and take the quotient as n. Now put n in the square given below as shown and solve other numbers accordingly. So now look at the diagram at the right hand side. First of all, you have to consider a number greater than 15 which is divisible by 3. So now let us try making the first diagram, that means the diagram to the left, using the diagram to the right hand side. That means now we are going to verify how we made it. So let us consider 18. We are going to make a magic square of 18. So 18 divided by 3 gives you 6. So the center point n will be 6. Now the first row and first column intersects at n minus 1. So 6 minus 1 will be 5. The second column and the first row intersects at n plus 4. So 6 plus 4 gives you 10. Look at the other numbers also carefully. When you place like this, n minus 1, n plus 4, n minus 3, like that, so you will ultimately get the sum of the row and sum of each column as 18. Pause the video if required. Check this once again, read it once again. If you still have problem, contact me, I will help you. Now we are going to do some problems based on this method. So magic squares. Construct a magic square having the sum 21. Look at the demo, 21. So 21 divided by 3 will give you 7, though the center point will be 7. Above 7 there will be n plus 4, that means 7 plus 4 equal to 11, and below 7 will be n minus 4, that is 7 minus 4 equal to 3. To the right side of 7 it will be n plus 2, that means 7 plus 2 equal to 9, and to the left side there will be n minus 2, that is 7 minus 2 equal to 5. To the left hand side top it will be n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1 equal to 6. To the right hand side bottom it will be n plus 1, that is 7 plus 1 equal to 8. Now left hand side bottom will be n plus 3, that is 7 plus 3 equal to 10, and right side top will be n minus 3, that is 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Try to understand the pattern. If the top is plus 4, the bottom is minus 4. If the right is plus 2, the left is minus 2. If the top left is minus 1, that means n minus 1, then the right bottom will be plus 1. The left bottom is plus 3 and the top right is minus 3. Try to remember this pattern, then you will be able to make magic squares of all the numbers given in module number 1. So the first one is 15. In module number 1 the first question is 15. That means you have to place in the center 15 divided by 3, that is 5. In the second one you will have to place in the middle 27 by 3, that is 9, and so on. Pause the video for 5 minutes and try this yourself. There are 4 questions given here: A 15, B 27, C 24, and D 33. So you have to make 4 magic squares. Try it out yourself. Now concentrate on module 2. Complete the following magic squares. Now here we are already given some of the numbers. Look at number B. The center number is 12. That means it is a magic square of which number? 12 into 3, 36. So number B is a magic square of sum 36. That is why 36 divided by 3, 12 is in the middle. So if on the left hand side it is 10, that means 12 minus 2, then on the right hand side it will be 12 plus 2, that will be 14. In the same way, try to find out all the answers. Pause the video for 15 minutes. Try to do all the questions given in these two modules. Now I am showing you the answers. So these are the answers. I hope you enjoyed today's class because working with number patterns is very interesting. If you have any doubt, please feel free to contact me. Pause the video, note down the correct answers. So students, this brings us to the end of today's chapter. That means Unit E is complete, which also implies that Tier 1 is complete. So all the 5 units of Tier 1 has been completed. Now I would like to advise you, please go through the book also. Go through the videos again and again. As many times you will solve the problems, that many times you will get ready for your exams and you will learn the concept more and more clearly, because all the concepts given in all the videos in before this and also in this video is important for your next subsequent classes. So please take this seriously. This is not very hard. Everything is in the videos, everything is in the book also. Try to solve each and every problem, and if you have any problem to understand any concept or any sum or any question, please feel free to contact me. I will help you. With this, I conclude my class. Thank you everyone.